Kubur ka Batisi TV, lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Unang yang lam jong National People's Party ubak Sniawbhalang Dhar ubulong ru sumbut Menteri Rang Ba Kejala. Hakakat sautrik uleber arajar arfulai. Ula Kubur baka sengsan perthai Voice of the People Party kalalong ka Mawjynthud yang National People's Party hakikat tu kat ni constituency. Kamtam hadian baka Voice of the People Party kalala banjab hadu saungut ki MLA na not chelong na maulai na nongkrem ban na mawreng keneng constituency. Hakajing keren bikilat pathai Kubur ubak Sniawbhalang Dhar uloong baka parti kan sepelong ya kajing tokit banyak lani ke post mortem halor kajing liat sniaw sebab palat hari lum khasi haka election jong kayeng dorbar tawan kepadang cukut shen.
So after the budget and post mortem on this, you are right. Giant Hill is okay because we already predict also between 4 to 6. Unlike in the already predicts 1 to 3, so it comes 2, so it's okay. And yes, little bit unexpected in Khasi region. So we are yet to post mortem as soon as the budget is over. Difficult to say what are in the anti committee because always after election, all the political parties used to post mortem for the loose candidate. So we are yet to see what are the actual reason they are losing the seat in Khasi. So in order to improve next election. No, that is not, the kind of thing is not acceptable because there are many factors. No, because you know in Khasi there are so many parties. UDP is there, PDF is there, BGP is there, NP is there, DVP is there. Does not mean that it's not accepted because 26 in the whole state is not a joke. Talk or say on behalf of other party. Simple as that people is not accepted. That is the only thing I can say. No? If the party who obtain only 3-4 seats, I mean they are not accepted by the people of the state. Demanding Khasi Chief Minister, I think is totally wrong. We have to respect the mandate of the people. Simple as that. Khasi Chief Minister, let them work only one party from Khasi side. Simple as that. Or क्या else? They can work for UDP, they can work for NPP if they want. If they and vote differently, what shall we say?
Because out of 36,
that's what I'm telling. It's not all. Yes, you are right. It affects, like in Nongkrem or like in Sorghum, it affects views, not all. Like in Molai. I think all of you are aware there is few constituencies really affected by VPP. Correct. No, that is not the issue. We are Meghalaya as one as brother and sister. We are here the legislator of the state. We are the leader of the people of the state. If everything we have to decide all the 60 collectively.